Today, I'm going to show you how to connect your FTMO account to MetaTrader 5 quickly and easily. First, go to your MetaTrader 5. Then, wait a little bit and choose Open a Demo account or simply cancel and log into your main account. Now, the account should be looking something like that, or the UI should be looking something similar to this. What you will need to do next is simply that. Go ahead into your settings, and from there, go and choose New Account. From here, choose your broker, which is in our case FTMO. So search for FTMO, as you can see, and here it is, FTMO Global Markets Ltd. Choose it, and then from here, just simply choose the login and the password of your account in FTMO. So simply put here your login and here your password. Once you do this, simply all you need to do is to click on connect, which is below right here in the sign in button right in the below. If you do have an account or a real account, you can simply here create it from zero. So in case you didn't have an account, you can simply put here your first name, last name, middle name, and just like that you will be able to create your own FTMO account and link it with your meta code or simply your MetaTrader 5 account. It's very simple and easy.